Everyone, welcome today. New week, new puzzles in today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday, March the 20th, 2023. And we have not so good news today because we have only one regular puzzle, the Medium Sudoku. Let me show you. In this newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the Saturday edition, the weekend edition. I believe in the weekend edition we have 5 extra puzzles left. No extra puzzles. Alright, so let me show you the 5 puzzles. We have the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic in the Saturday edition, but also the other 2 puzzles. The binary, and 2 stars or 3 stars Sudoku. Alright, this is for later. Let me start with the Medium Sudoku. Let me position the camera first. Medium Sudoku number. Come on, number. By the way, the news of today. Wow. News of today. I believe the Grand Prix in Saudi Arabia, Paris has won the race, and the second one is Max Verstappen here. Max Verstappen. That means that again, same as the race before, the Red Bull team has won again. Yes, the Red Bull team has won again. Right, this one, Medium Sudoku number 6143. Come on. 6143. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one is 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, we need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. 15 to 20 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. We see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Oh, alright. Three and 3, 5. 3, 3. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, 7. 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in middle column, so no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes here, 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then, yeah, 9, 9, 2, 2, 6, 6, 6, 6, 4, 4, 4, 4 here. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 marks. So the 4 in this big square could be here, here, or there. 4 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Well, let me wait for those numbers. Okay. 8, 9, and the 2 is missing. Yeah. So the 8 and the 9 are missing. Let me mark those. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. Well, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 8, and a 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in the middle row, so no 8 and 9 in this box. The 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. So if I eliminated the 2 there, so the 2 should be here. Alright. 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 4 here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in this column. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So that column, only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 1, 2, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2. 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have 1 and a 2 in this row. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. For number 5. 1 and 7. Oh wait. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 it goes there. Then I believe we have a pair, the 1 and the 3 in this row, the 1 and the 3 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Alright, so we have a 2 in this column, 2. Oh wait, we have a pair again, the 2 and a 9 in this column, the 2 and a 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. Is here 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 8, 9, 7, 7, 8, 9. Let me see. 4, 5, 8, 8, 4, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. Then look with 4 and 8 in this column. So no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So one that's left in this big square for number 5. Right, so here we have a pair then, 4 and 8. Okay. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 A goes there. 2 in the first row. 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes at there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. I've marked those two boxes with 8 and 9. Well, we have a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. I've marked this with 8 or 9. We have a 9 there, so this box should be an 8. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. Here, 7 in a row above, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. I've marked those two boxes with the 4 and the 8. We have an 8 now in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, 2, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. The 1 in the third column, the 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left now in the second row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. 6 is missing. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column with 3 in the second column. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square column is the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. If I know two numbers in this big square column is the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Well, not faster than 15 minutes, but maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Well, let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the puzzles in the weekend edition. Yeah, 5 puzzles to solve. Until then, bye bye for now.